going on, guys? Another episode of Superfast Setups. Chaseontwowheels here with my buddy, Patty Rick. Today, we got that new from Sena. We got the Sena 50s, and we're going to connect it via Bluetooth with the Sena 50R. Now, these are both mesh units, but we're going to show you how to connect them with Bluetooth in case you're riding with like a 10S person.
Yep.
Or 20S who doesn't have mesh. So we got to handle the Bluetooth stuff first. So, Patrick, take it away.
So quick to go over the units just so we know what we're talking about. We know how these units work. I'm going to give you a close-up shot here real quick. We've got our kind of jog dial with a center button built into it. So you're not going to have it separate like on some of the other units. It's actually just built into that one piece. We've got our phone button here on the rear, which is very hard to see on our little camera, but it is there. And then we flip up the antenna. We have our mesh button here on the top. We're not really going to use that much in this particular video, but you'll see why in another video. So to turn this guy on, you're going to press the middle button and the back button at the same time, that phone button on the rear. It's going to light up blue, it's going to do some internal setup shenanigans, and then it'll be good to go. On the Sena 50R, it's very different. We don't have a traditional jog dial or anything like that going on. We've got a up volume button, we have a center button, and a down volume button. On the rear, you're going to have our mesh button as well. You don't have to worry about the antenna on this one, and again, we're not worrying about the mesh button in this particular video. So to turn this guy on, you're going to press and hold the center button and the plus button until you see that blue light, and it's going to beep at you and some other shenanigans.
Okay, so now we've got to get these things connected. Okay, so you said rear button and the built-in center jog dial.
Correct. Perfect.
All right, so we're both on now. How do we connect Bluetooth?
So to connect via Bluetooth, we're going to put both of our devices into intercom pairing mode. So how you're going to do that on the Sena 50s, which is our jog dial buddy here, is we're going to do it the same way we do with every other one. We're going to press and hold that center button for 5 seconds. You're going to hear something say intercom pairing. Now on the R model, all we're going to do is press and hold the center button again for 5 seconds till we hear intercom pairing. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right. Now the 50R should automatically connect to the 50S. And there they go. Super easy, guys.
So no extra button.
No extra buttons on these. On the 50s, they will just rock and roll all by themselves.
So guys, this is Superfast Setups. We are trying to be concise, to the point, no fluff. That's going to be our thing. No fluff.
No fluff.
So that's how to connect via Bluetooth these two units. But again, this is only for people if you're riding with somebody that doesn't have mesh in your Bluetooth stuff. So if you are trying to connect with mesh, you need to click on our other video that's going to show you how to connect these up with the mesh. And if
We'll
you
put
can,
that link over
yes,
somewhere.
and in the description.
Yeah.
If you want to do that, we highly recommend it if you're riding with people that have the same technology. So with that being said, go click on that video while me and Patrick just slowly, awkwardly
This way?
go out
Okay.
of the screen. How did...
I went that way.
Anyways, guys, that's it for Superfast Setups. That's Patty Rick. I'm Chaseontwowheels. If you guys want links for the stuff we talked about and connected in today's video, there will be links down below. If this video helped you guys out, like at a gas station or something like that, and you're just trying to connect our stuff up, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you guys like motorcycle content, you probably should subscribe. Okay, we're going to leave out the way we came, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Later. You're that way. Okay, bye.